I would like to show you a very creative vending business model today.
Yeah, oh yeah. Get funky, I want you to pump your hips like you used to.
This is our client's Unmanned convenience store. He used our AI smart fridge to sell self-service cocktail mix kit. More than 1,000 convenience stores like this are open this year. So customers can purchase a cocktail mix kit and make their own cocktail. And customers just tap their bank card, credit card to open the fridge, and they're free to take a product. Our AI system will automatically identify what product being tokened and charge them. Let's make a nice cocktail.
The music is too loud.